What's the meaning of chagrined? Chagrined. Chagrined.
Chagrined. Chagrined. Chagrined means feeling distressed or embarrassed due to a failure or disappointment. It is often used to describe the feeling of being let down or frustrated by one's own actions or circumstances beyond one's control. When someone is chagrined, they may feel ashamed, humiliated, or disappointed. They may also feel a sense of regret or self-blame for their actions, or a sense of frustration with the situation they find themselves in. Overall, feeling chagrined can be a very unpleasant experience, as it can cause emotional distress and damage one's sense of self-worth and confidence.